we have square. We will put side lengths L and L. Then order of A, it will be L and 0, and B will be L and L, and point C equals 0 and L. We have the function f of x. F of x is meaning y, equal x power 2 subtract by k minus 2 times x subtract by k plus 4. Then we can put this point first, because this point belongs to the function. Then put y equal L and x equal 0, subtract k minus 2, it will be negative 2, negative times negative equal positive. Again, put x equals 0 here, 0 times this function, it will be 0, subtract k plus 4. Then L will be negative k plus 4. Okay, put this point, it's the first solution, and put again this point p belonging to this function. Then put in this function x equal L and y equal L. About this function, put this point, put L here, equal L power 2, subtract y minus 2 multiplication by L, subtract k plus 4. You can cancel L and write L here. Write L equal negative k plus 4 here, negative k plus 4, and here negative k plus 4 power 2, subtract by k minus 2 times L times negative k plus 4, negative k plus 4. And then you can simplify this expression. Write negative plus 4 equal k power 2, subtract 8k plus 16, subtract k plus 2, its multiplication to function. Using distributive properties here, k times negative k power 2, k times 4k, negative 2 times negative k positive 2k, negative 2 times 4, it will be negative 8, subtract by k plus 4. You can write negative k plus 4 equal k power 2, subtract k 8k plus 16, positive k power 2, subtract 4k, negative times positive negative, negative 2k, positive 8, negative k plus 4. You can cancel negative k by negative k and write 4 here, k power 2 and k power 2 to k power 2, negative 8k, negative 4k, negative 12k plus negative 2, negative 14k, okay, negative 14k, and 16 plus 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 16, it will be 28. Then we can divide it by 2, or write here 2k power 2, subtract 14k, 2k power 2 subtract 14k plus 24 equals 0. Move 4 here, and they're divided by 2, then k power 2 subtract 7k plus 12 equals 0, and then distribute of this equation, k power 2 it will be k times k, and 3 times 4 it will be 12, and the sign negative and the negative equal positive, and some of them equal negative 7, then k will be 3 or k will be 4. We have two solutions about this equation. This unknown value k will be 3 or 4. We have two solutions. Okay, if y equal 1 plus b, where b is the verse inverse with the square of x. Okay, we have two relation, y equal 1 plus b, and he tell us b verse inverse with square of x. Okay, we have the relation here, and x equal 1 where x equal 5, x equal 1 where y equal 5. find the relation between x and y. Okay, first we will put p equal m over x power 2 when m not equal 0. It's constant, okay, about relation. And then put here about this function 1 plus p equal y. Then y will be 1 plus cancel p and write m over x power 2. Okay, and then put x equal 1 when y equal 5. Then put y equal 1, y equal 5 when x equal 1. 1 plus m, because 1 power 2 equal 1. M over 1, it will be m. Then we can find the value of m, it will be 4. M here equal 4. Okay, so the relation between b and I want to find the relation between what? Y and x. Then y will be 1 plus 4 over x power 2. It's the relation between y and x. And then he won't find the value of y when x equal 2. When x equal 2, then y will be 1 plus 4 over x power 2. It will be 2 power 2. It will be 4. 2 power 2, 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then the value here equal 2. If x equal, if f of x equal a plus x power 2 and L of x equal c constant, where two polynomial function where a and c two constant, and 3 f of 2 plus 3L of x was equal 6. Find the numerical value of 2f of 0 plus 2L of z. Okay, we have f of 2 plus 3L of x equals 6. We will find here f of 2 about this function. Then 3 times 2 here, it will be a plus 2 power 2, it will be 4. Now 3L of x was 6. 3 times a, it will be 3a. And 3 times 4, it will be 12. Plus 3L of x equals 6. Then 3a plus 3L of x, it will be negative 6. Move the 12 here. 6 minus 12 is negative 6. And then divide it by 3. Then a plus L of x, it will be negative 2. 6 divided 3, it will be negative 2. And then we can find L of x here. It will be negative 2 subtract by a. Is the function L of x. Okay. Then you want to find 2f of 0 plus 2L of 7. We can find L of 7 here. L of 7, it will be negative 2 minus a. Okay, because we don't know the value of a here. And we want to find what? F of 0. F of 0, it will be a plus 0 power 2, it will be 0. Then f of a, it will be a. And f of 7, L of 7, negative 2 minus a. Then we can find the numerical value of 2f of 0 plus 2L of 7. F of 0, it will be a, then the result will be 2a plus 2 times L of 7. L of 7 here, negative 2 subtract by a times 2. I write 2 outside here, okay? And then using distributive properties, 2 times negative 2, it will be negative 4, and 2 times the negative 8 will be negative 2a. You can cancel negative by negative, then the result will be negative 4. Then the numerical value, it will be negative 4. Question number 3, if f of x, if x equal 357 and y equal x such that x belonging to n and x greater than n less than 30, find the function f from x to y, where f function equal 3 and 9, 5 and 15, 7 and 21. Find the domain of f and write the rule of f. Okay, first step here, we can write the function. We have x and y. X equals 3, 5 and 7. and y, belonging to a natural number, 11, 12, 13, and 29. And the function here, the image 3 with 5, 3 plus 2 equal 5, and 5 times 3 equal 15, and 7, it will be 21, 7 times 3 equal 21. We have 3 here, it will be 5, and 5 will be 15, and 7 will be 21. 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 2 times 5, 10, plus 5, no. We want to find the domain of f. Domain, it will be 3, and 5, and 7, it's a domain. And 5, 15, 21, we called it the range. We want to find the value or write the rule of f. It was 9, okay? 3 and 9, not clear, okay? This number was 9. Then the rule here about this function, f of x, it will be 3x. It's the rule.